this week, you know, of course, there's still summer reading. You're digging deeper and reading and investigating, observing, discovering. And today we're going to discover that libraries have codes too. Did you guys know that? Especially you that have been doing code crackers. The library's big code is called the Dewey Decimal System. And the Dewey Decimal System are numbers on the edge of the book, starting at like 0, going all the way up to the 900s. And these numbers, like this one here is 743, the numbers tell you where the books are. So in the 743, you're going to find drawing books. If you had a book that was 745.54, you would know it's in the craft section. And of course, our favorite section of all, which is what, well, let me show you this one. If you wanted to build with Legos and learn about buildings, 688.72, and then there's a KEM. And the KEM is the author's first 3 initials of the author's last name. So all these books can be found in the library. Look at this. Just last week, or 2 weeks ago, we were doing backyard science. And science numbers, 507.8. Here's some more science ones. Look at scary science, 507.8. See, the code tells us where to find the non-fiction books about real stuff. Crash, what's this one? Smash, crash, and launch. 50 mind-blowing, eye-popping science experiments. I'm sure you guys need to take this one. Now remember, you can check all these books out here at the Kankakee Public Library. 507 and a craft book here, 745.5. Yay! That is what I really wanted to tell you before we get into our science today. And today I'm super, super excited. You guys, we are going to make cloud dough. Cloud dough is a mixture of baby lotion and cornstarch. And if you want to give it a special color, you add your food coloring. And this is my cloud dough. Last week I made some and I colored it, separated it into 3 little parts and got 3 different colors. Here's my blue. It just smushes and it like falls apart and it comes back in your hands. It's really soothing to play with. And if it's too crumbly, you just add a dab more of baby lotion. So that's what we're going to do now. And food coloring. So you guys will receive, you should have received when you pick up your bag, you have a little bag of white stuff that is cornstarch and a little plastic container of baby lotion. And that is what we're going to mix together. You could use your hands or you could use a spoon. And if you're not much into food coloring, because when you're mixing with the food coloring, it will get on your hands. I had red hands for about a day. I had to keep washing them, and it does come off. Okay, so what I would do first is empty your lotion. And then slowly add the cornstarch because you don't want it too dry. So I would add a little at a time. And I will mix. And remember, you could use your hands to mix too. I think the directions want you to use your hands because of the texture that it feels. But if you use your hands too soon, the lotion sticks to it. So if it's still sticky like this, go back. You have it. Create your own. Leave us a picture of what color cloud dough you made. And just, it's so fun to touch it and squeeze, and it's so soft and fluffy. So again, pour your lotion on your plate first or your bowl, and then add your cornstarch. There you have it. See you guys soon. Cloud dough!